Hello everybody! This video goes through the steps to add and invite QuickBooks Enterprise users to a role. If you have users that regularly work in QuickBooks, you can add or invite them to a specific role. For example, an inventory role will have access to adjust quantities on hand, view item receipts, and inventory reports. Here's how. Go to the Company menu, then Users, then select Set up Users and Roles. From the User List tab, you will see the Company File role of Admin and Intuit Account role, which is empty. Select New. Barry is a new employee who will need access to Banking and Payroll Processing. I will enter Barry Salter in the username field. I suggest to assign each QuickBooks user with their own login. Since Barry wants a specific password, I will leave the password blank so he can enter that on his first login. On the left side of the screen, under Available Roles, select Banking. The description box below gives you detailed information regarding what activities are allowed with this role permission. Click Add, then scroll to highlight Payroll Processor with the detailed description below. Then select Add. As you can see, you can add multiple roles for one user. Enter the user's email address. Keep in mind, certain roles will need a user's Intuit account linked like the one we just set up. These include Accountant, External Accountant, Finance, Full Access, Payroll Manager, Payroll Processor, and View-Only roles. These roles will show a caret next to the role name. Enter the user's email address, then select OK. A dialog box will pop open if there isn't a password entered to ask if you would like to create a password. Click No. Your employee will create that one with their first login. A dialog box pops up that shows the invite was sent, and since he received access to an Intuit account role, he needs to sign into the Intuit account with the same email. And that's it. Watch our next video on how to manage Intuit account users and their roles in QuickBooks Enterprise. If you liked this video and felt you received value, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. That way you'll be alerted when I create another video like this, and this allows me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching my video.